Do you want to learn how to get even cake layers? My name is Ariana Collier, and I want to welcome you to the Sweet Life. The key to having a good foundation is to evenly level your cake layers. The items we have today are our baked and unleveled cake layers, a cake turntable, and there's two tools that I use when leveling a cake. You can either use a serrated knife or a cake level. The first cake leveling method we're going to show you is using a serrated knife. You want to determine the perfect height for your cake layer, and that's where you're going to start. Now, you want to take the serrated knife and slowly start to cut into the cake. As you're cutting, and actually, once you've gotten the knife into the cake, to a certain point, you can actually just spin the turntable. And just keep your knife in that same spot. You don't even need to move the knife. And just spin until you've reached the meeting point of where you first started. And guide the knife across. The second tool we're going to use is the Wilton cake level. This level is so cool. So it has measurements on each side, and what you do is you move the knobs on the side, and I try to push it in a little bit so it's easier to move, and you push it in and move the wiring to the height that you would like your cake. I chose 6. That's perfect for me. And as you can see, it's come straight across. It's evenly across there. And what you do is just guide your cake through and slowly just push it through. And you've got a level cake. We've leveled our cake layers using the serrated knife and the cake level. This is going to make for a great foundation when you're decorating your cake and when it's on display. My personal favorite is to use the cake level. However, it's still really easy to use the serrated knife and get the same effect. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified when our next video comes out. Also, be sure to share. Well, we'll catch you next time on The Sweet Life.